In this video, I'm going to show you how to watch ESPNU on YouTube TV. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so first step, head on over to tv.youtube.com and sign into your account or create a new account. Now, once you're signed in, you want to go ahead and do a search. So go ahead and click on the search function and then search for ESPNU and hit enter. And now you're going to come up with 3 channels or the channels below. So you'll see live broadcast and on-demand programs from the ESPNU channel. So as you can see here, the channel here, Minnesota State at Middle Tennessee, so ESPNU. So we can click onto that. And then once you're on here, you can go ahead and click on the plus icon and we can start recording. So you can check out all that stuff. So if we go ahead and click on play, I was a bit quick there. Now, because I'm making this video from another country, it's going to say YouTube TV is unavailable in this country because I'm in Australia. But if you're in America or whatever, you'll be able to view it from there. Then yeah, simply start watching your favorite shows or sporting teams on ESPNU instantly.